Gas saver. Look. 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 Confused about which vehicle to buy? Well, look no further than this good-looking 2002 Toyota Camry. New car test drive said it outsells other mid-size cars in America largely because of Toyota's reputation for quality, durability and reliability. J.D. Power and Associates gave the 2002 Camry 4.5 out of 5 power circles for overall initial quality design. You can't beat a Toyota for dependability, and you'll be glad to know that this 2002 Camry is no exception.